And more reactions coming in from the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, who's responded now to Vijay's attack, where he said that the DMK hasn't fulfilled their poll promises. Now, in fact, Vijay had said 505 poll promises were made by the DMK, none of them were fulfilled. Stalin has now given a detailed report card of sorts. He says 364 of 505 poll promises we've delivered upon. 40 poll promises are currently in the process of being fulfilled, saying the government is reviewing it. He says 37 schemes are awaiting the centre's note. So that's a blow-by-blow breakdown that, in fact, Chief Minister Stalin has given in response to Vijay, saying none of the poll promises have been fulfilled.
ஒன்றிய அரசின் பரிசீலனைக்காக நிலுவையில் இருக்கிறது 37 திட்டங்கள். 64 திட்டங்கள் இப்போதைக்கு நிதி காரணமாக எடுத்துக்கொள்ள இயலாத திட்டங்களாக இருக்குன்னு துறைவாரியா பிரிச்சு தெளிவாக மக்களுக்கு விளக்கி சொன்னாங்க. ஆனா நல்லதையெல்லாம் பார்க்க மாட்டேன், கேட்க மாட்டேன், உண்மையை பேச மாட்டேன்னு முடிவோடு இருக்கக்கூடிய எதிர்க்கட்சித் தலைவர் பழனிசாமி அவர்களுக்கு வழக்கம் போல இதெல்லாம் தெரியல. பொய்களை வச்சு கருத்துருவாக்கம் பண்ணலான்னு சிலர் நினைக்கிறாங்க. ஆனா என்றைக்குமே உண்மைக்கு தான் வலிமை அதிகம்.
So that's a full report card there. 505 poll promises is the mention by Vijay, to which Chief Minister Stalin has given a detailed breakdown of those 505 promises. Pramod Madhav is joining us with more details on this. Pramod, the fact that you have responses coming into every attack being made by Vijay directly from Chief Minister Stalin itself tells you perhaps how serious a threat Vijay is in the political arena in Tamil Nadu for the DMK and the AIDMK.
Well, Akshita, one thing is very certain, because even though the Chief Minister gave us a break of all the poll promises made, how much have been fulfilled, what are under review, and what is the reason behind certain promises that have been not yet been fulfilled, he did not mention Vijay's name anywhere. In fact, he gave it as a reply to Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, who actually is also towing the same lines. In fact, the first person to bring out all these issues is actually Anbumani Ramdas. Post it was Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, and now Vijay. But Vijay, talking on all this matter, completely resonated, because Vijay actually also read a certain poll promises that were not fulfilled, especially about waiving of education loans and such, farmer loans and such. And what happened is that the Chief Minister categorically gave an explanation, but the Chief Minister is only calling them as new and old enemies. So that way the Chief Minister has given a response considering the elections coming near, but the Chief Minister has also said that he has also fulfilled promises that were not even given at earlier times, like morning meal for children and such. And that's a response from the Chief Minister, Akshita.
Okay, so response from the Chief Minister to Vijay's very first rally. So you can see clearly that as far as issues are concerned and the narrative is concerned in Tamil Nadu, it is changing based on what Vijay is raising in his rallies. But thanks very much, Pramod, for joining us with all of those details.